may have heard of distractors when it comes to the OET reading test, but what exactly are they and how can you avoid getting caught out by them? Keep watching to find out. The purpose of a distractor is to be misleading. Now, in order not to get caught out by them, it's important that you can spot them. Number 1, don't accept the first answer you see. Make sure you read the text carefully and eliminate any incorrect answer options as you go. Number 2, don't select an answer option simply because you see similar words and phrases in the text. Number 3, don't skim read in OET Reading Part C. So in order to answer these questions correctly, you need to have a detailed understanding of the text. Number 4, don't spend too long on a difficult question. If you're really struggling to answer one, just leave it, move on to the next one. You can always return to it at the end if you have time. Number 5, never leave an answer blank. So if you have found a question particularly difficult and you've struggled to answer it, at the end before the test finishes, just make sure that you've at least guessed. So I hope that you now have a much better understanding of what distractors are in OET reading, and you feel confident that you'll be able to identify them when you are in the reading test.